Here, hold on. If you back up, go passenger, take your front over, it'll lift you up and over to clear that tree. You want to be over that way a little more. Go passenger. Keep going passenger, passenger. Not enough, not enough. Well, there you go. Hey, that was good, that was good. You got it, just keep going. All right, hold on, back up just a little bit. Keep going, right there, you have to bump it. Just bump it up. There, you got a ledge right here. You're gonna come up, but you're not gonna come up on the other side. And as you come up, turn this way.
Towards there?
Yeah, you just, what you wanna do, turn your wheel passenger, right there. Take it straight up and turn to the driver as you pressed it. There you go, bump it. There you go, keep going, keep going.